Watching this 380 area here now. We got the VWAP there, so we're looking for that push above the VWAP on the Qs right now. And the SPY pushing above the VWAP here. So the SPY leading right now, trying to push up there. 377 resistance on the SPY. 278 resistance on the NASDAQ. Looking for this push up to the 380s. Of the 380 area here on the NQ. Can we get it? Push above the 380 there. And there we go. 383 now. Still pushing. 382 get filled. Beautiful little move there. Taking little scalps here. Just waiting for this to kind of really make sure that we know this is going to go higher. Right below this low of day so far. Low of day was through 274 here. I think it'll be a nice little move here below the 300s. Took a little short for this breakdown below the EMA there. Looking for this to get down to the 300s flat now. Break below the 300 level. Looking like we're gonna test it. Looking like we want to test it. That low of day now. 275 low of day here. 274.76 on the Qs. Currently short right now. I think I'm gonna take it right there actually, just to lock that in, just in case we bounce there. Oh, just in case it bounces. Look at that. Just in case it bounces. Put a link in the chat for the new free Discord. We got a free Discord. Come join us. It's a lot of fun. Can share your trade, share your ideas right there on Discord. We got about, what do we got, 150 people in there right now. 147 people. We're blowing up, baby. We're going to the moon. Draw more lines, make the market move. Off the lows there. Squeezing back up, 275.60s. From the 300s up to the 360s. The action, baby. The action is live. Pushing up to the VWAP there. I'm gonna get $100 on this trade right here. Looking for that push above the 360s here. Push above the 360s. Looking for $100 on this one contract. Only one contract, $100. Let's get it. Here we go. It's gonna happen. Oh, it's going. Yes. And they are getting filled for $100. $100 off of one contract here from the 300s up to the 60s now. The reason I lose money trading through the middle of the day normally is because I overtrade. And the longer I sit here, the more willing I am to make stupid trades. I don't know why, but I have ADHD, man. I just get bored. So pushing up to the VWAP there, 276.44 now. Can we keep this going? Pushed above the high of day so far up there, 278 level. On the Qs, we're right there at the VWAP. Will the VWAP act as resistance, or can we get above it here? Oh, as I said that, we just ripped right back up there. Literally, just ripped right back up there. That was pretty funny actually. The minute that I said, can we get back above the VWAP, we just ripped right above the VWAP there. So jumping in long. I literally just made $100 and just printed it right out of the computer there. I got this new little money printer. Just every time I make profit, it just prints out. It's like a receipt. Like, here's your $100 bill. Thank you. Putting an order out there, try to get it locked in at $50 in profit here. Brian coming through with the $15. Let's go. I'm going to bed. I'm retiring. I love the support, Brian. Thank you, man. So literally showing you guys back to back here, literally a $100 trade off of one contract and then a $50 trade off of one contract. And remember guys, we're trading the M and Q, so it only costs $50 in margin to be able to buy one of those contracts. Literally $50 to trade it. So if you guys want to learn more about futures, I'm telling you right now, if you're starting out trading, you want to learn more about trading, you want to really get into trading, there is no better market to trade than the futures market. All right, so we're looking for opportunity here. We got the VWAP. Let's see where we close out. We got 22 seconds left here on this candle. If we can close here at this level here, I'm thinking like, let's go to 278 today, boys. Today's a little tricky. Hasn't been like a overall beautiful trend day. It's more so we've just been chopping around here. So just kind of scalping, getting those $50 moves that we're looking for, and then just kind of taking that profit, baby. Oh yeah, and taxes are better on futures as well. Everything literally top to bottom, you get instant shorts. Everything about futures is better. If it don't work out, I get the fuck out. Put that on a t-shirt, sell it to sell it to some young minds. Be a new pop brand. So getting that pop up here, like we were saying, up to the 276s here. I'd like to see a little bit more. Give me a $50 bill here. $50, $50, $50. Still running, still running, still running. One more, come on, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Oh, we're so close. Oh, we're getting filled. Let's go, boys. $50, $50. You know, it's just, you take $50 here, $100 there, $50 there, $100 there, $50 there. It adds up, my friends, especially on this type of action. I'm not getting crazy with this type of action, that's for sure. I think to myself, like, okay, you know, the moves are going to be smaller to the upside. We're going to get, you know, more choppy moves. But also, like, the thing is, like, if I take a loss, right? Like, if I take a loss right now, let's say I buy 5 contracts, I take a loss. Like, am I going to have another opportunity to get that loss back later on today? That's something I'm always thinking about. Like, I'm like, is the market presenting opportunities where I can be more aggressive, knowing that if I do take a loss, that I can, you know, have another opportunity to kind of get back into the green, and, you know, vice versa. Because you think, like, every day there's only so many opportunities, right? Like, every day there's only so many good opportunities. The more that you kind of look at the overall kind of where we're doing, what the market's doing, like, if we're getting, like, if the market's just ripping and we're getting some amazing opportunities, like, that's when I want to be more aggressive, because I know, like, okay, there's some good follow through, you know, there's a lot of action, there's a good volume, and we're going. Something that I'm thinking about. Like, I'm thinking about, you know, every day, kind of like, should I be more aggressive when the market is slow, when it's fast? So I'm thinking, like, constantly, like, okay, like, right now, this market is not presenting a lot of opportunities. It's not showing a lot of follow through. So I'm going to be less aggressive, right? Like, I'm going to be less aggressive, a little less size, you know, not look for home runs, just really kind of look for just good, maybe quick opportunities. Well, we had more than 80. We've had over 835 people tune into the stream this morning. We got 82 watching right now concurrently, but we've had over 80. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead. I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna go take a nap. I think it's a little nappy time. I'm kind of tired. You know what's funny is, like, every morning I wake up at 3:30. Like, I wake up at 3:30. Well, this morning I wake up at 3 o'clock. I wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning here in Hawaii, and, like, all I'm thinking about when I wake up is, like, I can't wait to take a nap. Like, literally, I wake up at 3, and the first thing that I think about is I'm literally like, so the market pulling back here. I'm happy I took profit where I did. So, not that I want to always be right, but I do like, you know, at least being like, hey, look, now it makes it a little bit easier to walk away right now. Even though there's, you know, a chance of it going higher later, but it makes it easier to be like, okay, I'm walking away. So I'll talk to you guys later on. I'll put the video up, a little recap of all the trades and stuff later on today. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. I will talk to you guys on the flip side.